Well, oil is trading near a two-year high on more turmoil in Libya and throughout the Middle East. I want to welcome in our guest, Oppenheimer's Fadel Gheit. He is one of the most accurate analysts of the oil companies. Fadel, good to have you with us.
Good morning.
How disruptive, first off, is the turmoil in Libya? How disruptive is that going to be to oil production?
Well, we have not seen any disruption yet, but if it happens, it's going to have an impact. Libya sells about 1 million barrels a day, so the supply chain is going to lose 1 million barrels a day. But more important than that, perception that other regimes might follow, that is what's really giving the oil prices very big upside here.
So you're saying that the bump up that we have seen, the 7% gain so far in NYMEX crude, is more due to anticipation
Correct.
of further disruptions than
Correct.
it is actually to what's going on in Libya then?
Correct. We have not had any physical disruption so far. Only a few weeks ago there was speculation that they're going to be, the Suez might be shut down. That didn't happen. The Suez Canal is still operating, obviously. There is no supply interruption whatsoever.
Okay.
And the situation here with the Libyan situation could get ugly because it's getting very bloody, because the regime is entrenched, they don't want to leave, they are going to have a civil war and all these things.
Right.
But again, you have in the neighborhood, Algeria could be a problem. It's also an OPEC member. So
okay.
that takes two OPEC members. And then a lot of people are looking east. They're looking at Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Qatar, and all these places. So the market is basically anticipating something that is bigger than what we have right now. I don't think it's likely to happen,
right.
But perception is going to move oil prices higher.
And you don't think it's likely to happen because why?
It's not likely to happen because as long as Saudi Arabia has the ability to produce and sell oil, I am not worried about supply, because Saudi Arabia can increase production by 2 million barrels and make up for any shortfall from the other countries, so as Kuwait, so as United Arab Emirates. And these are the strongest regimes in this neighborhood, not very likely to be toppled anytime soon, and
right.
Therefore I think the market is overreacting to what's happening to Libya.
Fadel, is there a chance, though, that if we see supply disruptions in the Middle East, I mean, can't that get offset by production bumps up in, let's say, Russia?
I'm not sure that, I mean, we have, in OPEC right now, there's 5 million barrels of spare production capacity. So in the event that any of these countries will come out of the supply chain, I think the rest of OPEC will make up the difference in a heartbeat.
Fadel, we're going to leave it there. Good to see you again, as always. Fadel Gheit of Oppenheimer & Company talking about the oil market.